This video is a quick spin through the SE Pro Series app suite. The Pro Series app suite is a series of applications which can be used individually or in combination to analyze the current market for any of over 150 Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren, or Porsche models in the SE database. It is the only true analytical valuation toolkit in the world which tracks daily changes in market inventories and pricing to generate current real market data and statistically robust analytics for high-value vehicle assets. The first app in the suite is the Market Inventory app. The Market Inventory app incorporates elements of the Market Value app found elsewhere, and it displays the lists of specific vehicles in the current market inventory, which make up the data and analytics generated by the specification selection. These are lists of the actual source data vehicles. And like all SE step-through apps, you drill down as far as required and generate analytics at the model and year levels for just those vehicles matching the spec. We start by entering our SE member email address. This defines the data view and future components of the Pro Series app suite. We then select the mark. Note the dynamic count in the blue bar. The count is of the number of vehicles matching the spec currently on the market at each step of the selection process. Select Next and move through the options to drill down to the desired spec. In this case, the 2011 Ferrari 458 Italia GTB. When we reach the last step, the app will request to display all of the vehicles matching the selected specification, or just those matching but with prices. Either way, only priced vehicles are used in the calculated analytics. We will select to view just those vehicles with prices. Returned is today's current market data and analytics for the specification selected. These include averages and medians for price and mileage and the price range. Note that on this day and for the 2011 Ferrari 458 Italia GTB, there are 22 in inventory, including 20 with pricing. Each listed vehicle display is accompanied by some summary data points and a hot link to its vehicle app page. We will click on a hot link to open one of the listed vehicles' vehicle page. The Vehicle Page app is the second app in the Pro Series app suite. We are the only source for VIN-specific history details and current market analytics. Unlike any other source, SE data is both updated daily to reflect rapidly evolving market changes and is sourced from a wide range of public and private repositories. This is why we are the world's only source for the range of assets and analytics which we deliver through the Pro Series app suite. The Vehicle Page app is divided into sections. The Vehicle Specification section displays the vehicle's basic specifications. The Database Count section displays analytics regarding the comps in the database. The Vehicle Market Statistics section displays relevant data about the vehicle and the market inventory. The Model Body Statistics section displays model body price and mileage comp analytics. The Model Year Statistics section displays model body year price and mileage comp analytics. The Vehicle History section displays available on the market history data on the vehicle at observed data collection dates. The Vehicle Assets section includes available source notes and images at the observed data collection dates. Click on an image to open and view it. Also in this section is a direct link to open the vehicle's Experian AutoCheck report. At the top of the Vehicle Page app, you will see a Valuation Kit hot link. This link opens the third and final app of the Pro Series app suite, the Valuation Kit app. This app allows you to conduct what-if price and mileage analysis on any vehicle in the SE-Sage database. It is a one-of-a-kind proprietary modeling app only available from SE-Sage. The what-if calculator allows any price and mileage input for a VIN to be compared to its market comps. You simply enter a VIN, a price, and a mileage in a submission form to dynamically generate valuation analytics. If you are migrating from a vehicle page, its most recent market data are pre-populated. Displayed are the variances of the inputs submitted to the market comps for the VIN. Changing the price or mileage fields and resubmitting modifies the results. There is no other toolkit for understanding the market for over 150 Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren, and Porsche models that even comes close to the Pro Series app suite. Thanks for taking this quick video tour of the SE-Sage Pro Series app suite.